Okay, so we got a couple new fun commands to learn today. I guess really only one. Um, so we're going to start by opening our 3D template. So I'm just going to start out by drawing a box. There we go. So here's my box. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a circle on that box. Actually, I'm going to draw a square on my box. So I'm going to go to my rectangle here. And there's a couple things you need to know about your bar here at the bottom. If you only see one row of icons here, you can toggle that on and off by hitting this little triangle. It's the turning on and off the 3D status bar. So this gives us a whole bunch of new commands that are all 3D oriented. And you can see which ones I have selected there at the moment. So I'm going to go to my box here, and I'm just going to draw right on my box. And you'll see that I've got my snapping on, so it snaps it right to the face here. So I'll zoom in a little bit. Probably can't see that at all. I see it a little bit on the screen. So anyway, I have a box and I have a rectangle drawn on the top surface of my box, and the command that we're going to do today is presspull. Kind of two commands in one. I can choose whether I want to press or pull. So I can take this object that I created, and it's currently a two-dimensional object, but I click inside it, and it's now, you see I have this sort of dotted line going around the rectangle, so it lets me know that I have this selected. So click on it, and now when I move my mouse, I can stretch it outside of my box, so that's the pulling, or I can push it inside my box. So I'm going to push it in a little bit. Actually, I'm going to go all the way through to the other side. And when you do this, it kind of looks like it's drawing a 3D shape, but when you do a press, it's actually going to subtract. So now looking at my box here, we can see I've got a perfect shape missing there from it. And then you can also do this for any two-dimensional shape. So say I am going to just draw a circle right here. So that's a two-dimensional shape. I'll run my press pull, and now I can very quickly turn two-dimensional shapes into three-dimensional shapes doing that. And let's see, if you want to get really exotic here, I'm going to try my spline tool, which sometimes works. And press pull. Look at that. So you can see I used my spline, made a really kind of crazy shape, and was able to turn that into a three-dimensional object as well. Draw one more rectangle here. And there I am. Cutting through my box again. So press pull, kind of a fun, quick, and easy way of modifying objects and converting two-dimensional objects into three-dimensional objects. So today your assignment is to create that Swiss cheese and just note the dimensions on it when you draw it, but obviously all your circles and everything are random. Any questions on press pull command?